Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online card class for December 2025. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form and I will link it up here in the top right-hand corner. Or you can visit my blog for more information, and the link is below in the description box. In this class, we will be creating 5 beautiful winter-themed handmade cards. I will be using the Delicate Pines bundle, which includes the stamp set and then these amazing dies. This bundle of stamps and dies is amazing, and I really loved playing around with all the images that are included. If you'd like to use a different bundle, you're going to want to look for one with large snowflake-like images and maybe one that has some pine boughs or pine cone images as well. And this should also include stamps and dies. Let's take a quick look at the cards. Here are the cards we will be creating for this card class. These cards are beautiful and will give you so many ideas on different ways to use the Delicate Pines bundle. I love the stacked snowflakes and these beautiful pine boughs. Here's another one. This one kind of also includes a stacked snowflake flower idea. And then this one is a wreath. And the combination of stamps and die cuts really make these cards pop. There are so many different designs you can do with this set, and the class is going to really jumpstart your creativity. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. This class will run from Monday, December 1st through Friday, December 5th, and we will meet each day during the week to create one of the 5 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for this session during the week, or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is in the description below. Registration for this class closes on Sunday, November 16th. There are only a couple weeks to sign up, so register as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes for 5 cards. No pre-cut shapes will be included. 6 6x6 Elegant Pines Snowflake Designer Series paper, a full pack of faceted snowflake embellishments, and a full roll of shaded spruce gold edged ribbon. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes all the cardstock, DSP, and envelopes to make another set of cards. It does not include the ribbon or embellishments. You will have enough of these items left over so that you can make more cards. You may order as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are live, and you can watch them through a private Facebook group or with a private YouTube link. We will have 5 live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card for that day and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will be available after, so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be providing written PDFs with step-by-step instructions to everyone. If you cannot join me live, you can choose to have the private video link and the written PDFs sent to your email so you can complete the projects at a different time. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store, and you can find the link in the description below. You will need to have a winter or pine themed stamp set, and I do recommend the Delicate Pines. This die set is just amazing. You're going to love it. You will also want a embossing folder. I'm using the Forever Plaid embossing folder. You could use any embossing folder, really. You're also going to want to have these ink pads. We have Pecan Pie, Old Olive, Secret Sea, and Shaded Spruce, Cherry Cobbler, Garden Green, and Pretty Peacock. Here are the tools and adhesives you will need. You will want a paper trimmer as well as your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. I always like to have a take a pick tool, bone folder, a pair of paper snips, ribbon, scissors, as well as something to clean your stamps. I like the Simply Chamois. You will need some coordinating clear blocks for your stamps, and then your favorite adhesives. I love to have on hand the Stampin' Dimensionals as well as the mini size. I also have glue dots and tear and tape, and then I love the multi-purpose liquid glue, but you could also have either the Stampin' Seal or the Stampin' Seal Plus. I am so excited for this class and hope that you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.